If your Samsung top-load washer is not filling with water, taking too long to fill, or leaking, the inlet valve might be the culprit. I'm William, AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll show you how to test and replace this part. Don't worry, this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of pliers to get the job done. Also, please remember that safety comes first. While your washer is starting to overfill, unplug the power cord. If the water does not stop filling, the valve has failed. If it does stop filling, something else is causing the washer to overfill. Turn off the water supply. Grab your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws securing the console back panel. Separate the back panel from the console and set it aside. Remove the 2 screws securing the console to the rear panel, then rotate the console forward. Disconnect the hose and wires from the valve being replaced. Remove the mounting bracket and Phillips screw. Rotate the valve up and pull it out. Here's the old inlet valve and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Set the valve in place and secure it with the mounting bracket and screw. Reconnect the wires. Rotate the console back into position and secure it with the 2 screws we removed. Reattach the console back panel. Reconnect the hose and turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back into the outlet. With that, the repair is complete. Awesome job getting your Samsung top-load washer back in action. We'd love to hear how your repair journey went, so drop us a comment below with your story. If you found that you need a new inlet valve, remember to grab your washer's model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Most orders arrive within just a few days. Thanks for trusting us with your appliance repair, and we look forward to helping you on your next project.